Hey guys, we're gonna make some brekkie for Kymmy.
Morning.
She's gonna watch her Vegas mat. Let's go and see the creations of mayhem I'm gonna make here.
Hair look alright?
At least you still got some, eh?
Shut up. Go away. Go cook me.
Okay, so I'm gonna do like a eggs Benedict thing, but I haven't got any homemade sauce, so I'm going to make something I like to make. I've already done a little bit over there, but I'll show you. Okay, so cream cheese, butter, and a touch.
Are you eating the butter?
A little bit. Touch of vinegar.
Gross.
30 seconds. All right, so we're doing poached eggs. I've got that heating up. I've got some prosciutto or similar sort of thing here. I have some tomato. I have some bread. We'll get the bread in the toaster.
Call it eggs Benedict.
What do you know? What should I call them?
Gavin's creation.
Well, I don't know about that.
Weird creation.
Weird stuff. You just use whatever you got, don't you, babe?
Yeah. And I love your breakfast.
Well, of course you do. You get laid down and do nothing.
Really? You tell me not to eat. You tell me not to do anything.
Well, babe, you work pretty hard on the weekend, so I think Monday should be your day off. Okay. And I didn't even do the market Sunday. We did Nambour Saturday. And Sunday we didn't do anything.
No, you had your day off.
Yeah, well, I went down and did a couple of videos at the market. Scooby got a couple of cool things. I got your Prezi.
Yeah, and I'm going to eat later.
No, you can't.
I can do whatever I want.
It's on video, one of the presents I got her. It kind of sucks. I'm just going to need to go again. Maybe it's not going to go again. Cool. We'll put some of this on here. We'll put the toast on. We'll put some eggs. We'll put 4 eggs. That's already preheated. Sometimes you can put a little bit of vinegar in there too, in the water. I'm not going to this time though. I don't know why I put the kettle on. Must be a reason. Okay, let's get some of this tomato on. Tomato on. Maybe a fork. Whisk it a bit. What's in there? Bit of something. Using the wild boar, the Pick'em family tray from what, babe?
Never ever am I touching wild boar again.
Well, I'll tell you, we met the sales reps in one of the pubs for Wild Boar. Yeah.
So we're having a brunch.
I suppose. Here, babe. Oh, you got a plate there. Take them.
Thank you, my love.
She's already eaten, so.
I was hungry.
God, it's late. For us, anyway, to have brekkie. Shoot, this only has to go on very briefly. It's earlier than 6.
Was it?
Yeah, it was about past 5.
Really?
No. Hey? I shouldn't. Why not? You were sleeping all day, babe. That's what you're doing today, you know? You already had a nap. I nearly fell asleep, didn't I? And you tried to nick off to me bed for a sleep. Oh, there you go. This is really cooked. Oh, don't tell me I'll put the plastic on there. I bloody have to. I'm cooking plastic, babe. Oh, they got sheets between each bit of the prosciutto. And, yeah. Like that. That's good. What, babe? Yeah, I know. Oh, I'm going to use it all. Let's throw some on the tomato, eh? See if we can get it going in there a little bit. Beautiful. How are these looking? Yep, they're done. Take them off the heat. They're good. Now, Kymmy likes her toast a bit darker. Mine, I'm not so fussed. So we'll do hers a little bit. Bit of butter, my bread. Have you seen with my cooking? Everything's got butter. Well, butter's good. Don't use margarine. Margarine's shit. You'll get that from friggin' margarine, mate, not from butter. Thank you. I don't know whether you can hear Miss Kymmy's little... Oh, that could go for another second, couldn't it? Yes, it could. It could indeed, McDermott. Gee, this one's probably right. No. No, we'll give it another second. Excuse me. Ooh, prosciutto. Oh, did you even turn it on? Yeah, good. I'm not very bright, am I? Where's the lid? There. Oh my God, I turned the wrong one on. Can you believe that? I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, look at it, it's just mental, isn't it? Oh no. Ooh. It's hot, these little things. You eat. Well, this one's got a little bit stuck in it. Here's my spoon.
Do you need help with anything, honey?
No, baby. Well, I'll probably, but you're not a trained psychiatrist.
No.
You know, so... No, we're kind of done that way, aren't we? Oops. That looks pretty good to me. I think I give Kymmy all the bloody tomato, though, you know. I'd best be nicking a bit of that back. No, that's right. I don't know where it's all gone then. Beautiful. Hers looks better than mine, doesn't it? I like this. I don't know how much Kymmy likes it. She said she did. I tried it on the first lot. All right, honey, I'm done.
You're done. Oh, good, because I'm starving. Oh. Oh, look, yummy, done it.
Well, something. It's a little bit
It doesn't matter.
curdled.
It's all right.
But it's bitey. All right, we're going to watch a bit of YouTube now. And we're going to do some making eBay. Showing Kymmy how to do some eBay. But whether we're going to do that today or not. It's Monday today. We got Melbourne Cup Day tomorrow. We'll probably do a platter or something tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, ladies all, and have a good breakfast.
Yeah.